Good morning, children. Let us discuss today the concept of outcome. Now, here, outcome means in a very one word result. Result of a random experiment is known as an outcome. We have already discussed random experiment. The experiment in which all possible result means outcome, are known in advance, but none of them can be predicted with certainty. So, here outcome means result of a random experiment is known as an outcome. Now, very simple examples are given here. See, in a random experiment of tossing a coin, there are only two outcomes. If I am tossing the coin, there will either I will get head or I will get tail. Any one, right? Head or I will get tail. These are the two possible outcomes. Outcome means result of a random experiment. Which experiment? Tossing a coin. Same way. In a random experiment of throwing a die, how many outcomes are there? 6 outcomes, which we have already discussed with dice. We discussed here there is the possibility of getting 5 dots, 4 dots, 1 dot, 3 dots, 2 dots, then 6 dots. So, in a random experiment of throwing a die, there are 6 outcomes according to the number of dots on the 6 faces of the die. 1 or 2 or 3 or 5, 4 or 5 or 6. These are all possible outcomes. Third one, in a random experiment of picking a card bearing numbers from 1 to 50, there are 50 outcomes. If you are having a card in with how many cards are there? 50 cards, and on each card 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that numbers are written. So how many possible outcomes are there? From 1 to 50, anyone you are going to pick randomly. So there are 50 outcomes. You can get a card bearing a number 10 or 11, 12, 13, any. So there are possible outcomes are 50. Now when you are playing cards during summer vacation specifically, I used to play a lot playing cards, sitting in the afternoon, sitting with my friends and playing cards. So a card is drawn randomly from a pack of well shuffled playing cards. You all know how many cards are there in a pack of cards? There are 52 cards in a pack of cards. Total cards are 52. In that, total red cards are 26 and black cards are 26. 26 plus 26, 52. In that red cards, we have two groups. One is called as heart. Heart, 13 heart cards are there and 13 diamond cards. Okay, diamond. Heart means, see here, like this. Heart. Okay, how many like this? 13. Then next is diamond. Diamond means like this. Diamond card. How many? 13. Total red cards are 26. Okay. Then black cards. In black cards, 13 are club cards and 13 are spade cards. Now club means this. In Marathi we used to say kilvar. 13 club cards. Okay. And here like this shape, it is called as spade. Club, and this is spade. So total black cards are 26. In that there are two groups. One is called as club cards, 13 cards, spade, 13 cards. Red cards, total red cards 26, 13 heart and 13 diamond. This you all should know. Okay. Now, in a pack of playing card, there are 4 sets. Just now I told you, heart, diamond, club and spade. In each set, there are 13 cards. Each set, there are 13. Set means group. Now, in each set, there are 13 cards as king queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now king means what? See here, I'll just show it to you. This is king. Okay, then this is queen, and this is jack. King, queen, and jack. And when you are seeing the face like this, they are called as face cards. What they are called as? Face cards. See, king, queen, and jack are known as face cards. In each pack of cards, there are 4 cards of king. So in every group, you will get king, queen, and jack. So how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, 1, 2, 3. In heart, we are having 3 face cards. Okay, same way with diamond, club, and spade. So total face cards we are having 12. Now see this, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and ace. Ace means this. We say ikka. Okay, ikka. 10. In each group we will have like this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and ikka. And I already showed you all jack, king, and queen. Jack, king, and queen. I already showed you all this face cards. So each group we have 13 cards, and here king, queen, and jack are known as face cards that you should know. In each pack of cards there are 4 cards of king, 4 cards of queen, and 4 cards of jack. So total there, how many face cards are there? 12 face cards. This I showed you all in each group. Like this we have 3. So how many groups are there total? 4. Each one group 3. 4 groups, total 12 face cards. And how many ace cards will be there? Ikka. Ikka means one which I showed you all just now. How many will be there? It will be, see here, Ikka means 4. Ace, we say ace cards. How many are there total? 4. So these numbers you all should know.